Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to this elegantly designed two-story home offering 8 bedrooms, 7.5 bathrooms within 8,882 square feet of living space and offering a host of features that are sure to impress. Sitting on half-acre of attractively landscaped lot in the prestigious Godfrey Lands within the cool community of Mandeville. This property is surrounded by a lush and verdant garden that provides a tranquil and serene atmosphere. The large master suite is located on the ground floor, along with one other bedroom with its ensuite bathroom and helper's quarters with its own kitchen. The main kitchen and dining area are complete with high-end finishes that are both stylish and functional. On the first floor, there are 5 bedrooms, 4 with ensuite bathrooms, and a convenient sitting and entertainment area leading onto a balcony. The property also boasts a 2-vehicle garage, a separate 4-vehicle garage, and an open rear patio, perfect for entertaining guests or simply relaxing. There are also hardwood and porcelain tiled floors, surveillance cameras, electronically operated gate and garage doors, etc. Call for viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The new asking price for this house is Jamaican, 85 million, US 538.7 thousand, Canadian 771.1 thousand, Euro 494.3 thousand, or 418.7 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.